Hi everyone, it's Kristi. Welcome back to my channel. It's time for a giveaway for 1,500 subscribers. I want to thank everyone who subscribed to my channel. And if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? We would love to have you subscribed and click the bell if you want to be notified when I upload a new video. But yeah, 1,500, that just seems unreal to me, but I so appreciate you guys and I want to give back. So we are going to be giving away this Foxglove Envelopes Galore journal. And what you need to do to enter is subscribe to my channel, if you will. You can go over and I will leave the link below to my Facebook group. Join my Facebook group. I would love it if you guys would, chat it up in there and post what you're doing and, just have a good time. But in the comments of this video, if you will leave the number of envelopes that you believe are in this journal, in your comments, that will enter you in to the drawing. I will tell you there are more than 23 envelopes in this journal. I'm counting the cover, even though I used 2 for the cover, because I only used about 1.5 inches from the second one. I'm counting the cover as 1 envelope. So you count the rest. You'll have to go back to the flip through and see how many envelopes, or if you're interested, I have a playlist for the Foxglove Envelopes Galore journal, and you can see how we put it together. So anyway, I hope you'll enter, and good luck. I can't wait to see who wins. This drawing will be open until the end of the month. We will draw for a winner on November 1st. And yeah, so subscribe to my channel, join my Facebook group, guess how many envelopes are in this journal in the comments of this video, because this video is the one I'm going to use for the drawing. And good luck. We'll see you soon. Bye now.